The Finance Bill of 2020, published on April 30th by the National Treasury, is set for the first reading in the National Assembly on Wednesday this week. The tabling of the Finance Bill before the budget speech this year is a stark departure from the past, when the bill was typically tabled within 90 days after the budget speech. The bill comes against the backdrop of a comprehensive tax laws amendment bill signed into law by President Uhuru Kenyatta last month. In the National Assembly's order business, members of Parliament will also be engaging in the second reading of the Public Finance Management Amendment Bill of 2020. The public has until the 13th of May to submit comments on the proposed amendments to Section 38 of the Retirement Benefits Act. The proposed amendment seeks to allow members of retirement benefit schemes to utilize a proportion of their accrued benefits in the purchase of a residential house. The Retirement Benefits Authority now invites comments on this proposal from the public before submission of the proposed amendments to the National Treasury Cabinet Secretary. Any comments from the public are to be forwarded to the authority through the email address housing@rba.go.ke. Now, in your copy of the Business Daily tomorrow, get the details of the plans by the proposed amendments to the retirement benefits regulations. Make sure you get your copy. That is what the front page looks like. Your Business Daily tomorrow. A section of tax consultants now say the planned move to rope the National Social Security Fund into the tax net is a step in the wrong direction. Analysts at audit firm Ernst & Young say the move is likely to have an adverse impact on the country's senior citizens at a time when most have been rendered vulnerable to the unfavorable economic environment.
We think is a wrong move in terms of introducing taxation on NSSF as an entity. Our senior citizens have been enjoying the pension exemption from taxation if you are 65 years and above. The government wants now to basically start taxing that particular tax in terms of a person has actually retired and they are paying pension and they are 65 years and above. You start paying tax at that particular point. It's quite unfortunate.
Foreign investors pulled 11.2 billion shillings worth of investment out of the Nairobi Securities Exchange between January and March 2020. This has been revealed by the Capital Markets Authority through its soundness report covering the first quarter of 2020. This outflow of foreign investment has played a key role in the falling prices at the Nairobi Securities Exchange, which has left investors counting losses. The report by the market regulator also reveals that the top 5 companies by market capitalization grew the proportion of the total market value to 74% in March 2020 from 73% in December 2019.